Welcome. I'm back. No funky hair, no Bob Ross hair. You know what else is back? Winter. This was last week when it was decent. I got my 77 Trans Am out and I got to cruise around with it for a little bit, and yeah, good for the soul, right? I'm sure quite a few of you guys got your toys out and did the same thing just to cleanse the soul a little bit. This week, it's been kind of a, I don't know, slow week. You know, I got things done, but it's nothing extravagant that I got done. I wish every week I could just pull out a rabbit, you know, and do magical tricks for you guys and go, oh, look what I got done this week, ta-da! But it's not that way. So, you know, I've gotten to touch on every one of my projects that are here. Like for instance, the 73 Trans Am, I started on the trunk, but there's nothing really there that's I can show you that you're gonna go, oh, ooh. No, we'll wait on that. And you know, the 75 Formula here, you know, I got some stuff done on it, as far as wiring. You know, I really can't show you wiring. I got the vintage air ducting hooked up. You know, I'll just kind of show you what I got going here. I got gauges in, you know, I got wiring yet down here I gotta hide, but you know, it's kind of the boring stuff that nobody really wants to see. They just want to see, you know, the close to the finished product. The 69 Mustang, I've been working on it. I'm trying to get all the pieces painted because next week it's supposed to be decent again. And I want to get the car brought back over so we can start assembly on it. So in the meantime though, I've got the final pieces, the trunk and the hood in there that I need to finish up on. Maybe I'll get to that today, who knows, we'll see. But yes, I'd like to get the assembly done, or started on at least, because I want to get back to just doing the two vehicles that I usually do. And of course in the spring I've got more projects coming in, and so I've just got to get some stuff done to get, you know, make room for that. The other thing I just wanted to hit on is the event, and I know it's a ways out yet with being in August, the end of August, but if you're interested in attending the show, or the event I should say, because it is an event, it's a two-day event. If you're interested in coming, it would be probably smart to get in as soon as possible for low registration rates. And of course we have hotels that are available, and I don't know, you know, if you wait too long, if the rooms are going to be available. So, you know, just kind of kick that around, think about that, because, you know, once they're gone, they're gone. And so I get it, it's a ways out, but, you know, just letting you know, a little reminder. I just want to bring up one more thing before I let everybody go. We do have a YouTube channel out there, and if you guys didn't know that, you can go check it out on YouTube. It's Redline Restoration and Parts. It's out there. I've got a few videos out there that I've done. I haven't done anything recently because I've just been busy with getting stuff done in here. If you were interested in just kind of checking things out beyond what we've got going on Facebook, you can go out there. I'd love, maybe in the spring, summer, get back into doing some more videos and put it out there on YouTube. So we'll see. Anyway, that's out there, and you know, check it out. Love to have you guys, you know, subscribe to that channel. That way you can get more of me, right? So anyway, that's all I got for you guys this week. And until next week, I might throw out some pictures to let you know what I got going on. But until then, I'll see you on Friday, next Friday. All right, have a great one. Bye.